Having a fast charger does not guarantee you are charging fast. You could plug in a charger that's rated 3 times higher than what came in the box, and your phone might still be pulling the same slow power it always did. That's not the charger's fault. There's a setting inside your phone that decides how much power it's willing to accept, and if it's off, your expensive charger is basically working at half its ability. Let's go fix that. Here's the setting you need to check. Go to Settings, then tap Battery, then look for Charging Settings. Sometimes it's listed as More Battery Settings depending on your phone and software version. You will see a toggle called Fast Charging and Fast Wireless Charging if your phone supports it. If either of these is switched off, that's your answer right there. Turn it on. Once it's on, plug your charger back in and check your lock screen. If it says fast charging or super fast charging, then you are good. If you still feel you are not fast charging, then definitely you need to change your cable. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe if you are not. If you have any questions, please drop a comment. I will be happy to answer them. I will see you on the next one. Until next time, take care.